so now you can see the new bulb. It looks like this, and we'll come straight over here, and you can see the old bulb looks like that. What is up, guys? Welcome on back to TK's Garage. You see what we got right here? We're going to get to some work today. I know. My hands are going to get dirty. We're going to switch these out for some lights that we can actually see with. Alright guys, this is what the current headlights look like. They don't look horrible. They don't. But you can kind of see how they're kind of limited as far as their brightness, right? Overall, pretty clear and whatnot, but we're going to get these out and make these 5 to 6 times brighter. Taking care of this guy should be pretty straightforward. We're literally just going to get into the headlight assembly, which we see right there. And it might actually, you know what, now that I think about it, it's probably going to be easier if I just pull these bolts and pull it out. See, older GMs like the Tahoes and the Envoys and the Trailblazers, they usually just have a tab. You could just pull it and the whole headlight would come out. That was actually smart design. Anyways, let me get some tools together. We'll start getting this stuff disassembled, and we'll knock out the first headlight. Alright guys, so from everything I'm looking here tool-wise, the only thing that we got here is a 7mm socket with a food stamp screwdriver here, and we'll basically take these screws out here, bolts, screws, whatever you want to call them, that attach these mostly plastic headlights to the Chevy Trax, like so. We got one. You want to put the screws in there? That's fine. And we got 2. Alright, now this thing should actually just pop out of here. Watch me find out that there's more screws on the bottom. Let me look. Sometimes you have to be smarter than what you're working on. And it has a cool little handle right here to grab it. Now I got this loose up top. I got this loose over here. I'm not seeing another damn spot. I'm not seeing another spot that requires nut or screw removal. But knowing Chevy, they probably put it in the most retarded spot possible. Alright, let me do a quick search on this and see what it requires. Alright guys, after seeing what it's going to require as far as taking the bumper and stuff apart, I'm just going to do this old school. That's the cover I got to remove. I know you guys are probably looking at this upside down too. Right there. And it should be easily able to be removed with just my hand by turning it until it unscrews like so. Ta-da! And then I should be able to reach in there and pull that bulb. So we're going to go ahead and put the gloves on so I don't screw up that bulb, and we're going to get to it. Alright guys, so basically what we're going to do at this point is I'm going to reach in here, and I got my glove on, and I'm just going to turn. Let's see how this thing is situated. Alright. No extra prongs or anything holding it in place. I'm hoping that's not a screw that's holding that bulb. Is it a screw? Let me zoom in here on the camera and see so I get a better look. We're going to see this together. By damn it, I think it is. We're going to see though. Let me see if I can just reach in and turn it. Uh-oh. Shocker, I can. Magic. Comes right out. See? There's our bulb. Damn, that was actually pretty easy. What the hell is that screw then? Oh, that's the housing. All right, good to know. All right, let's get the bulb out. I'm going to unplug it, get the new bulb, and we'll start putting this thing together. All right, guys, so very simple. I basically plug in the new bulb, which I have here. And you can see the Auxito branding. I have the bulb right here. And then it has its own little fan. See this? It's got its own little cooling fan. So we're just going to snap this back in. Now, this is the fun part. That's a pain in the ass. So, unlike Mr. Rogers, who said to go fuck everything and traumatized me as a kid when he was kicking, you know, tents and all kinds of other stuff over on PBS, we're just going to put this in with the magic of YouTube, and outside of me telling everybody to go fuck themselves, I'm going to get this thing plugged up. Ladies and gentlemen, I think we have it installed. As you guys can see here, we have it plugged up. It is completely plugged in. As you guys can see there, you can see the fan and everything right there, which will keep it nice and cool. All right. And I know some people have asked, well, are you going to do you put the heat or the heat seal caps back on it? And the quick answer to that is no. You want this to stay as cool as possible because these bulbs are going to be way hotter than what's used to being on here. All right, so let's just do a quick test and see what it looks like. So now you can see the new bulb. It looks like this, and we'll come straight over here, and you can see the old bulb looks like that. It's really not a comparison as far as the brightness and how far you're able to see down the road. And now with this thing, I mean, that's insane. You were just saying you probably don't even have to use your high beams anymore, huh?
No, those are different.
So these are the Auxito LED lights. All right. These are Y19s. They sent these out to me, so a major salute to them. The installation and setup was actually very easy. I know some people are going to say, well, what if you want to put the cap back on their lights? Won't you get moisture in there and da-da-da-da-da? I'm in the desert. I'm not worried about any moisture getting into my headlights. It's not going to happen anytime soon. And like I said, more than likely, you know, we rebuild the car, we put stuff into it, we send the car to the auction, and the car goes down the road. So that's kind of how it's rinsed and repeat. So I'm not really stressed about it, but it is in the short term, as far as headlights go, going to make it a lot better to see and drive. So major shout out to them. I'm going to put a link in their description down below. These are all the ones that it fits right here. Definitely go check them out. I highly liked it. You guys have seen me do this on the Black Mamba 1 and Black Mamba 2. And now we did it on the Baby Mamba, the little Chevy Trax. So, like I said, let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Thank you guys very much for watching. Go hit the link in the description, and I'll see you guys on the next one. There it is, guys. For you guys that wanted to see the finished product, we got both lights completely changed with the LED lights that were provided. These are awesome. Totally changes the view of it going down the street. We're going to go out, take it on a test drive, and just see how bright it is. For you guys that stayed to the end of the video past the outro, you guys get to get a look at what it looks like. So here you go, guys. Look how bright these are. I mean, all right, so these are the regular headlights, and then high beams, you can't even tell the difference. Like, these are murdering the high beams. So once I replace the high beams with that other set, this thing is going to be absolutely ridiculous. So thanks to you guys staying through the whole video. As you guys can see, we have super bright headlights now, which you can see really far. I mean, the viewability, or the, you know, the viewability, Jesus Christ. The visibility down the road is so much better with these. It's not even close. So definitely go check out the link in the description down below. These are awesome. I gotta be, like the ones I had from the Tahoes, you know, that was what, 2-3 years ago. I mean, the LED lights have got a lot better. Like, these ones have fans on them. Mine didn't have fans on them to dissipate the heat. And this one right here, I mean, these ones right here are absolutely ridiculous. I mean, look how nice these are.